Mess with the best and die like the rest.
Oh. Get him. Oh, damn, never mind.
Tengo que irme. Mucho mejor.
Take it.
Ooh, no, I have to swap. I can't play.
System compromised.
Oh, fuck.
Gotta go.
Gianna. Like he's gonna come right there. Yeah, he's gonna fuck every time. Fuck. Oh, damn it. Try to freaking get out of there. Be on mouse? I feel like my mouse is not registering when I click the mouse, right click. It's been 2 minutes now. This is not good at all. We need to push. Get that algo. Oh my god. Yeah, no.
That's 5 ults.
Feeling much better.
Oh, push over time. Oh, what? That fucking damn, that's fucking waste right there. God, that's some bullshit, bro. That is some bullshit. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Damn, that's some bullshit. Oh, wait.
Push the attack now. We're gonna
Sistema comprometido.
Oh, está en la way. Ay, güey, a la verga.
Hack complete.
So quickly runs away. Oh fuck, I already killed his ass too. Get him, bro. Oh! I ran out. Oh Jesus Christ.
Always plan an exit. Tengo que irme.
Won that. I'll leave my concentrator here. I need to push these guys though. Good push. Oh. Nope. You got that. Oh fuck. You can C9 him again? Alright. I don't think so. No way. No way. Oh no. Dude. Deep. Oh my god. Okay, we're winning. Attack this guy. Got him. One.
Are we still fighting?
Oh, Sombra too? Oh, interesting. I think that's something.
That party was boring.
Careful. Yep. I gotta get out of there every time she tries to push me.
Get down before I go.
System compromised.
We can play point here.
Tengo que irme. Translocators in place. No vaya a ser que los Swiss plaran apagando las luces. Catch later.
Happy Carissa. Oh damn.
Really much better. You know better
It's
than
just
to
Hanzo?
turn back on me.
Hanzo Pharah.
¿Qué onda? Apagando las luces.
Fucking the Sombra Mercy.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah. Good shit, Sombra.
Eesh. I wish I had that no mess. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh.
They're on ball now.
Nice dude. Good with that, yeah. Oh my god.
What about the wing? Keep it together. We're almost there.
3, 2, 1. Yep, that's it. Damn. Hopefully I can play the game. 28-2. Well,
Yeah, good shit, Sombra, honestly.
oh, I didn't get it. Oh, never mind, I did.
Oh, no.